Alright guys, back out here at the mill today. It's June the 15th, it's about 3 p.m. and it is hot today here in Tennessee. It's about 92 the last time I checked it. More nice black walnut here on the sawmill today. This is a pretty nice walnut log. Our length is right at 8.5 feet. This bottom diameter down here, or the large end, sounds a lot better, 16 inches, and on the small end 12 inches. So a good sized walnut log here to saw up first. And something that's going to make this log pretty unique, I think, is the crotch. And there's more than one crotch in it. Right here toward the bottom we have a crotch, and the width is around 23 inches at the widest point. This top crotch piece is going to be about 18 inches wide. But what should happen when we turn this log to where the crotches are parallel with the bed? They should line up pretty good and be coplanar with each other, giving two crotch feeder pieces in each timber. So anyways guys, we'll see what happens on this one. We'll cut these at 9/4, then the next log up is going to be more 5/4 boards. It's a nice straight log and not a lot of defects at all in it. We should get some really nice lumber out of it. But this one right here will be sawed into 9/4 crotch slabs. So let's get to sawing and see what comes out of this thing. It should be pretty nice. We should have two crotches in it. See what happens. side's good. Let's say the bottom will be a little bit better. Yep, there it is. There's the crotch. Blade jumped just a little in the crotch right here. Got a little bit of a, kind of dived on me just a little, no big deal. That will surface out when this board's dried and planed down to thickness. Let's think about this crotch wood here. You gotta go real slow when you saw through it. That grain's going everywhere. You got some end grain in here. Grain's going in both directions, and it's kind of hard on that blade to saw. So you need to go slow when you go through that crotch wood. That's flat. No problem there. I can tell a little bit of a difference right there, about not even a 1/16 of an inch difference, just barely. No big deal. Some nice crotch figure right there. Good stuff. And as usual, let's throw some water on it and see how it looks. Hoping for 2 crotches here in both these slabs. I think we did it, guys. Turn this one over. Be easy with it so I don't bust it. Really nice crotch here at the bottom. Hopefully we'll have the crotch here at the top. Now what we're hoping for here is some nice crotch here at the top as well. And there it is. 2 crotches in each slab, just like we was after.
Margaret, sing me a tune. I was feeling much better till you walked in that room. Now my brain doesn't work 'cause I gave it to you, and my thoughts are all lost and my head's been unscrewed. Margaret, how have you been? Your hair has grown long and your face looks so thin. And I know I'm a mess, but I guess that's just when I try to forget and you come back again. I think I've lost sight of myself, so I look at old pictures, but it doesn't quite help. And I put all my memories back on the shelf, next to songs that you wrote about somebody else. Margaret, it's not your fault. You're barely a memory now that you never call. And I remember you told me you loved me and all. So I guess it's alright that I'm taking the fall.